Hello, and for today's video, how do you pin or unpin messages on Discord? So to start off, let's hover over to Discord, open up the app. Now for this example, we're just going to open up a chat. So as you can see, we have a chat with this person. Now we just need to click on one of his messages. So let's click on this. Now, as you click on it and hold it, this would appear on screen. Now, as you can see, there is a pin message, and you just need to click on it and hit on the prompt yes. Now, as you can see, it would announce through the chat that you have pinned a message. Now, how do you see the pin messages on the chat? You just need to click on top on the name of the person. Now click on the pins category and you'll see that the message has been pinned. Now, let's say you want to remove the pin. You just need to click on it again on the messages and unpin message. Now hit on the prompt yes, and there you have it. So as you can see, the pin message is gone. Okay, that's all. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful topics.